Mike here. How's it going? Welcome to the show. Of course, I'm your host, Mike. Got my son Tayson here with me, and we got a beautiful fall day, and we're going to do a little RC running. Little man's driving. Let me get my shadow out of the way. He's got the 10 scale ZD Racing monster truck here, the Thunder, the ZMT 10. Cool truck, 4-wheel drive, brushless. Give it a go, buddy. And we're gonna rip around. Here I'm sporting my OFNA CRT 0.5. Used to be a nitro. I've converted it to brushless. This is kind of the iconic RC of my channel. I don't even really talk about it very much, but this is what the logo in the car in my logo for my channel is all about. This model will stay with me forever. I love it. It's awesome, and she can fly. So guys, we're just gonna rip around. I hope you enjoy the footage. Thanks for tuning in again. Hope to see you on the next one. Hope everyone's getting out the RC. Get out there, do it. Fly, boat, drive, whatever, man. It's all good. We're gonna have a blast, and wherever you are, I hope everyone's doing well. All right, take care. Peace out. Ah, big crash. Okay, over here, buddy.